What's up, guys? So I haven't posted a video in a long time because we haven't gone anywhere, honestly. It's been kind of a crazy year now that the Rona is gone, or at least is trending downward. That means everything else goes back to normal. So there's baseball and dance and, you know, all that fun stuff. So I don't get to do as much jeeping. And then lately, about, I don't know, a month ago, I took my doors off and was enjoying the warm weather. And about 3 days into that, something started making the most awful sound in my differential. So, it got worse and worse the longer I went with it. And so now I'm having to haul it up to Outlaw Offroad in Athens to have them take a look at it. I think it has something to do with the shoddy work that's come out of four-wheel parts. If I've never said this, I want to be sure I reiterate it. Do not ever have four-wheel parts in Pelham install anything, ever. I've had nothing but trouble out of them. So anyway, I just want to give you guys a quick update. Basically what I'm going to do is have them gut the rear end and go ahead and build it up so I can put 37s, 38s on here. I'm going to go with Yukon chromoly axles. I'm going to put a electric actuated aux locker in the rear, and I'm most likely going to go ahead and have them truss the rear end, because I've got the Dana M220, the Dana 44, so I'm just going to go ahead and have them build that up, and that way I'm ready to go, at least in the rear end. I'm going to have to completely replace my front end for the Dana 30, but we'll tackle that when we get there. This is already going to be over $4,000, so I'll give you an update as soon as I get it done. One other thing included in the $4,000 I forgot to mention is that I'm going to replace that JCR tire carrier crap. Me and my wife were both just fed up with it, tired of it, piece of junk. You can see my video on that. I've done a review on it. Anyway, Krill and I just yanked it off the other day in preparation for Outlaw is going to install the CavfFab tire carrier that just mounts straight to the tailgate. I think I'm going to like that a whole lot better. Anyway, I just want to give you a quick update why I haven't been off-roading and what's going on with the Jeep. Hopefully I can figure out what in the world's going on with it, and more soon.